In this video, we are going to show you how to fix error 1015. You are being rate limited in Cloudflare. Now, if you are in Cloudflare, depending if you are, the owner or not, we go to Cloudflare docs. So this is how you fix error 1015. You are being rate limited. So the common cause for this is the website owner has configured rate limiting rules that restrict how many requests a visitor can make to their site in just a given time period. So when you exceed the limit, Cloudflare runs 1015 error. So how do you fix this? If you are a site visitor, you might want to wait for a bit, maybe 30, an hour, maybe a few hours, like do some other things and then just come back afterwards. So do not repeatedly try to access the website. So if you keep doing that, it's going to be pushed. The error is going to be pushed further and further until you're gonna get pissed off, right? If you're still blocked or you need help, all you need to do is like contact the site owner and tell them I'm still having these issues, even though I've already pretty much refreshed my initiation, right? So that is how you do it with Cloudflare. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.